What's up, guys? Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to make money another way online. So today is going to be an easy way. All you just have to do is to click on ads and you get paid for clicking on ads. So this is the site I'm going to be using, Scarlet Clicks. And see scarletclicks.info. So that you can see it, scarletclicks.info. So all you have to do now is you have to register your full name, date of birth. You can use your username and create a password. Then you can choose your payment account. You can use Bitcoin, anything. Then confirm your email, confirm your password. So you have to do the email verification. So I'll just do mine now. I have read terms and conditions to register. So this is what you get. Welcome to Scarlet Clicks. So you go to view ads. So you can see how much you earn for clicking on particular ads. So let's just start with this. You don't have to do anything, just wait for 30 seconds, at least a minute before you exit. Don't do anything, just wait for 30 seconds or a minute. Can click, then you go. And also another way of doing this, and earn more. You can do this. So in this picture, you can see there are a lot of grids everywhere, a lot of boxes. Each box is contain an ads, and for it to clicking one ad is equals to $1. You can see Scarlet click to win up to $1. So for each box it contains $1. And for each picture you have 20 times 28. So you know how many boxes are there. What you're going to do is you can see the recent winners, people that are getting money, getting paid every day. And see it. So let me just click on this. Like I said, do not have to do anything, just wait for 30 minutes, or at least 1 minute. Sorry, 30 seconds, at least 1 minute. So I think that's enough. Let's cancel this. So for so you can see your balance here. You can see everything. And something about this is if you do referral, so if you want to withdraw your money, you can just come here, withdraw your money. You don't have any money, your minimum cash out is $2. So you can see this referral contest. So you can see people are gaining money every day. You can see it's not fake. You throw the referral, it was again $2, 0.8. You can see. Let me go down. I can see Nigeria. Okay, there's no Nigeria here, but can start making money as a Nigeria. Okay, the update is every weekly. So this is another way making